5 Uncommon and Easy Online Income Ideas for Instrumentation Engineers. Both for students and professionals. Sorted in increasing order of lucrativeness. Idea 1 of 5. Develop and sell instrumentation design templates. Step 1. Identify a niche. Determine a specific area within instrumentation engineering where professionals often require standardized templates, such as templates for specific industries or types of control systems. Step 2. Develop templates. Utilize your instrumentation engineering skills to create high-quality and customizable templates. Ensure they adhere to industry standards and are compatible with common design software. Step 3. Set up an online store. Create an online platform to showcase and sell your templates. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website can be used for this purpose. Step 4. List and describe templates. Provide detailed descriptions, sample images, and instructions for each template. Clearly communicate how they can save time and improve the efficiency of instrumentation design projects. Step 5. Market your templates. Promote your instrumentation design templates through targeted online advertising, social media, and instrumentation engineering forums. Consider offering bundle deals or limited-time discounts. Idea 2 of 5. Instrumentation engineering blog or YouTube channel. Step 1. Choose your content niche. Select a specific area within instrumentation engineering that aligns with your expertise, such as process control, industrial automation, or sensor technology. Step 2. Create content. Regularly produce informative and engaging content, including blog articles or video tutorials. Ensure your content is well researched and adds value to your target audience. Step 3. Set up a blog or YouTube channel. Create a blog using platforms like WordPress or Blogger, or start a YouTube channel. Optimize your content for search engines and create visually appealing thumbnails for videos. Step 4. Monetize your content. Generate income through advertising programs like Google AdSense, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Align affiliate promotions with instrumentation tools, software, or equipment. Idea 3 of 5. Invest in industrial automation stocks or ETFs. Step 1. Research investment options. Identify publicly traded companies or ETFs that focus on industrial automation, instrumentation, or related technologies. Research their financial performance and growth potential. Step 2. Open an investment account. Open a brokerage account with a reputable platform that allows you to invest in stocks or ETFs. Ensure the platform offers features like dividend reinvestment if passive income is a priority. Step 3. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different companies or ETFs to reduce risk. Consider companies involved in sensor technology, process control, or automation solutions. Step 4. Monitor and adjust. Regularly monitor the performance of your investments. Stay informed about industry trends and adjust your portfolio as needed to optimize returns. Step 5. Reinvest dividends. If your chosen investments pay dividends, consider reinvesting them to compound your returns over time. This can enhance the passive income generated from your investment portfolio. Idea 4 of 5. Sell instrumentation-related courses. Step 1. Choose course topics. Identify specific instrumentation engineering topics that have broad appeal, such as PLC programming, process control, or calibration techniques. Step 2. Plan course content. Outline the content for your courses, including video lectures, quizzes, and downloadable resources. Organize the material logically for effective learning. Step 3. Choose an e-learning platform. Select an e-learning platform like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera to host and sell your courses. Set prices based on the value of your content. Step 4. Create course content. Develop high-quality video lessons and supporting materials. Ensure that the content is accessible and engaging for a diverse audience. Step 5. Set prices and enrollments. Set appropriate pricing for your courses. Decide whether to offer one-time purchases, subscriptions, or a combination. Step 6. Market your courses. Promote your instrumentation courses through your website, social media, and collaborations with instrumentation influencers. Consider offering early bird discounts. Idea 5 of 5. License instrumentation software solutions. Step 1. Identify a niche or problem. Research and identify a niche within instrumentation engineering, where professionals often face challenges that can be addressed through software solutions, such as efficiency in calibration processes or data visualization. Step 2. Develop the software. Utilize your programming and instrumentation engineering skills to develop high-quality software tools. Ensure they are user-friendly, efficient, and provide a solution to the identified problem. Step 3. Set up an online store. Create a professional website to showcase and license your instrumentation software. Use e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or a custom solution. Step 4. List and describe the software. Create product listings with detailed descriptions, features, pricing, and any documentation or support you offer. Clearly communicate the value of your software. Step 5. Market your software. Promote your instrumentation software through targeted online advertising, social media, and instrumentation engineering communities. Offer free trials or demos to showcase its capabilities. In the last video, I discussed rare income opportunities for engineers. Find the video here. Also, these tools boost your business.